so mobile chain saw. Enter. So I'm hoping to get a little bit of wood processed here at the lot. It's almost the end of the day, but I got customers who've been asking for it, so may as well get to it while I can. So let's have a look at this. So a bunch of safeties in place here. Number one, I move it out of the way on a series of servos at the back. It doesn't get activated unless I flip a rocker switch, which automatically turns off. So on, and then when I let it go, off. It can go in reverse. Now here is the conveyor belt here that can go forward on command. Okay, so I'll get the blade out of the way, roll it forward. Of course, right when I'm showing you, I get it stuck. Awesome, so let's give it a little bump here. And then just see how it pushes in there. So I'm trying to get it against the back. This would be the perfect cut and roll. And then I rock it on. And then I just gently let it start eating into it. It'll fall and roll forward. So this one I can clamp, bring that down, because there we go, that helps keep it against the roller. Let's go ahead and start it up. I don't get tired of seeing it. Oh, hey-oh. Beautiful. Unclamp, unroll, and then get it out of there. Bye-bye. Get off of my roller. That should be enough. That's better. I think that was worth it.